In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Google Sheets, offering a practical guide on how to protect specific cells, ranges, and even entire sheets. Let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. Once you have your Google Sheet in front of you, the first step is to click on an individual cell, such as cell A3. This is just an example, and you can, of course, choose any cell you want to protect. With your cell selected, right-click on your mouse, which will open up a context menu. From this menu, select View More Cell Actions, and then proceed by clicking on Protect Range. What this does is open up a sidebar on the right side of your screen where you'll be able to configure the specific settings for protecting your sheet or range. Next, you'll want to click on Add a Sheet or Range. This is where things start getting exciting as you're setting up the protection for your data. Now, click on Set Permissions. This is a crucial step because you'll need to decide who can and cannot edit the protected range. Once you've set the necessary permissions, click Done to save your settings. After securing individual cells, you might want to expand your protection to entire sheets. Click on Sheet 2, or whichever sheet you wish to protect. You'll see an arrow pointing downwards beside the sheet name. Click this arrow. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option, Protect Sheet. Click that, and then enter a description like Sheet Locked for clarity. This can be helpful if you're managing multiple sheets that are all protected in different ways. Again, you'll need to click Set Permissions to confirm who has the ability to edit this sheet, and once you're satisfied, click Done. The protection is now in place for that entire sheet. To continue building on your new skills, go to Sheet 3 and highlight a specific range of cells that you'd like to protect. Let's say we choose cells from H3 to H16. With these cells selected, look at the top menu and click on Data. Then select Protect Sheets and Ranges. As you've done before, click on Set Permissions to determine the level of access for each user. Once you're finished configuring the permissions for this range, click Done. By now, you've learned how to intricately protect individual cells, entire sheets, and specific ranges, making sure your data stays secure. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team, these protective measures ensure that your important information is safeguarded from unwanted modifications. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it proves helpful in your Google Sheets endeavors.